Do you know Reynolds Holidays is a dedicated concierge leisure travel division within Reynolds Travel? Don't let your plans for a dream holiday be hampered by the dread of making complicated travel arrangements and spending endless wasted hours on the internet. Imagine skiing down the slopes of Livigno, taking on the exhilarating challenge of climbing Mount Kilimanjaro, communing with the gorillas in Rwanda, snorkeling in the turquoise sea of the Maldives, exploring the Chuchi tunnels in Vietnam, the screaming engines of the Formula One cars at the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix, cheering for our Springboks at the World Cup finals at Twickenham, playing a round of golf at St Andrews in Scotland. We can take you there and everywhere. Why don't you board an icebreaker ship and see the Aurora Borealis, the northern lights as you plow through frozen seas, experience the majestic mountains of El Calafate, and visit the Glacier National Park, known for the dramatic icefalls from its front wall. Reynolds Holidays, our concierge leisure travel division, will make sure you get exceptional service and the best value for money, with itineraries to the most beautiful destinations in the world, from exclusive South African game lodges to the Galapagos Islands. From family breaks, romantic getaways, and adventure experiences, we make organizing your dream holiday that much simpler. We manage all your travel arrangements, from flights, accommodation, excursions to organizing your visas, foreign exchange, travel insurance and health requirements. With an accumulation of over 160 years travel experience, our concierge travel professionals use their first-hand knowledge and experiences to create the best itineraries, including the most popular tourist spots and the hidden gems of each destination. Have peace of mind when booking with Reynolds Holidays, an ASATA accredited travel agent. Take comfort in knowing that you are never alone with our 24/7 emergency service. Be it Vancouver, Helsinki, Tokyo or Sydney, we at Reynolds Holidays are here for you.